Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog ramps for SUVs that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the PetSafe Solvit Deluxe Telescoping Pet Ramp. This is a luxurious dog ramp from PetSafe that has a high traction surface and side rails to prevent your dog from slipping. It is made of strong aluminum materials that can support dogs that weigh up to 400 pounds, which is great for large size breeds. And with the wider and longer surface, it makes it more comfortable for your pooch to use. Thanks to its telescoping design, you can easily adjust the length according to your car's size. And what that also means is, it is very easy to store as you can simply slide inwards and lock it with the safety latch. PetSafe Solvit Deluxe Telescoping Pet Ramp is one of the most popular dog ramps on the market and will be a fantastic option for your next trip. Moving on at number 4, we have the Pet Step Original Folding Pet Ramp. An impressive dog ramp that has a weight capacity of 500 pounds. However, it is designed for animal use only. It is made of advanced composite plastics, and has a unique and soft non-slip rubberized walking surface that offers good traction regardless if it is in wet or dry conditions. Additionally, it has an universal non-slip grip that is built to fit all vehicles and edges. Pet Step Original Folding Pet Ramp can help your dog to get on and off the car with ease. It will not rust and is low on maintenance, which you can easily clean with soap and water. What we also like about this dog ramp is you can fold it in half when not in use and has molded ergonomic handles on each side for easy transportation. At number 3, we have the PetGear Tri-Fold Ramp. Unlike any other dog ramps recommended, it has reflective materials to guide your dog up and down the ramp. This is great especially in a low light environment. It also features the skid-resistant surface so that your dog won't slip off, and has rubber grippers on bottom to keep the position stable. PetGear Tri-Fold Ramp is 71 inches long and can hold dogs up to 200 pounds. It is 3.5 inches wider and 11 pounds heavier than the PetGear full-length Tri-Fold Ramp, and is relatively expensive. However, it is definitely worth the price for your dog's safety and comfort. At number 2, we have the PetGear Travel Lite Ramp. This dog ramp has a unique pressure-activated surface designed to provide maximum traction for your pooch. As soon as your dog steps on the mat, it will grip onto the paw pads, which means it is safer when getting in and out of the car. Also, the mat is removable, making it easy for cleaning. PetGear Travel Lite Ramp has a built-in handle and a patented tri-fold design that allows you to easily fold it for compact storage. It is 71 inches long and 19.5 inches wide, and is suitable for dogs up to 200 pounds. And finally at number 1, we have the WeatherTech Pet Ramp. This dog ramp is very durable and will not rust or corrode. It has a maximum weight capacity of 300 pounds, designed to support almost any pet. Additionally, the surface is skid-resistant and has specialized traction pads molded into the ramp for your dog's safety. The rubber feet on both ends help to prevent it from sliding off, as well as to protect your car from scratches. WeatherTech Pet Ramp is very easy to operate and only weighs 16 pounds. You can simply fold it in half and stow it away in the back of your SUV, thanks to the hinge incorporated in the middle of the ramp, coupled with the handles on both sides that allow you to carry it with ease. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon